Hi, today we are going to learn greedy algorithm to solve problems. A greedy algorithm always makes the choice that looks best at that moment. It's mean if there is a person A and he wants to take money from B, so if it is a greedy, it will think about this moment that anyhow this person has to take money from other. It doesn't matter long term its relation may affect. So at that point you have to take decision what is best for you. That is a greedy algorithm. You have to be greedy. So it has two property. First, greedy choice property. Second, optimal substructure. In the greedy choice property, it makes locally optimal choice in the hope that this choice lead to globally optimal solution. So it's mean if there is a diagram and you want to reach from A to C, so you have to think that from A what is the best solution for reaching C. So next step for reaching C is here 4. For example, 4 kilometer. A to C is 7 and A to D is 3. So what is best in these three? 3. So A will opt 3. A will reach to D. So this is the locally optimal choice for reaching global solution, which is A to C. So local optimal choice is A to B, A to D and A to C, where weight is 4, 3 and 7, and local optimal choice you did that 3 is best for you. So you opted 3, and then D to C there was only one choice and you opted 1. So total weight A to C is 4. So global optimal solution you find that A to C is 4 and A local optimal solution was 3 for selection. So this has given you best solution for reaching from A to C. So it doesn't happen every time that you choose a greedy algorithm and you get best solution. For example, if you want to reach A to C in this diagram, you will find local optimal solution choice is 3. But after reaching D, it has a 5. Weightage of this edge is 5. So total A to C is 8. From greedy algorithm, this diagram has given you answer A to C is 8, while best solution is 4 plus 1 5. So it means greedy algorithm gives you best solution, but it's not mean that every time you will get best solution. Second property, optimal substructure. So optimal substructure means optimal solution contain optimal subsolution. So there was a big problem and you have converted into small problem, and these small problem has some best solution so that you can reach up to optimal solution. So that is optimal substructure, and this optimal substructure we have seen also in dynamic programming. So this is greedy algorithm. You have to be greedy for any problem and you have to take decision at that moment what is best for you. So this is greedy algorithm. Thank you.